over. Algebra second chapter is remaining, right? मेरी आवाज मिल रही है आपको?
Yes, sir.
Okay, second chapter we start quadratic equation. Okay. Yes, only 2 chapter in both. Okay. Yes, today we start about second chapter. Quadratic equation. Textbook page number 34. First of all, my dear, what is quadratic equation? We have to see. Okay. See. Use on this whiteboard. Ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. This is a standard form of the quadratic equation, right? Where parameter is what? Degree should be 2. Quadratic equation means the degree of the given equation should 2, not less than 2, not more than 2. If it is 2, degree is 2, you can say it is a quadratic equation. Okay. First one, parameter. X is degree is 2. जैसे मैंने आपको बताया, degree equals to 2. Second, A, B, C are real numbers. नहीं, उसके पहले X is variable. X is variable. X is variable. Right? X is variable. A, B, C are real numbers. A, B, C are real numbers. Real numbers. A, B, C are real numbers. And first term, that is A, not equal to 0. These are the basic concept of the quadratic equation. See, degree is 2, X is variable, X A, B, C are real numbers. Right? Degree is 2, X is variable, A, B, C are real numbers, and A not equal to 0. First term 0 नहीं होना चाहिए. Okay, my dear? This is clear now? So now we start exercise 2.1. infinite quadratic equation, any two quadratic equation you can write x square minus 5x plus 4. Any number you can write y square plus 7y plus 9 equals to 0. No need to write this only. कोई भी number आप ले सकते हो. This is also right. Here it is given 5y square minus 30y equals to 36. Am I right? Yesterday we have discussed in German also this exercise. Okay, my dear, all of you. Decide which the following are the quadratic equation. Following are the quadratic equation or not. They x square plus 5x minus 2 equals to 0. So in the quadratic equation, x is only the variable with the highest index 2. The given quadratic equation is a quadratic because index is 2, index is degree. Degree is 2. So it is a quadratic equation. Okay. Hamza exercise 1, chapter number 1 and chapter number 2. For both algebra and geometry, it will ask in your unit test. I have given my portion to Firdaus Miss and I think she will provide you. And I repeat, chapter number 1, chapter number 2. From both algebra and geometry will ask in your unit test. Okay, my dear, this is clear? Y square equals to 5y minus 10. So y square minus 5y plus 10 equals to 0. This 10 will 5y come this side, it will become minus 5. And this minus 12 will come this side, plus 10. So in this chapter, y is only the variable with the highest index 2. So it is the quadratic equation. Am I right? If you found the degree 2, it is a quadratic equation. If it is more than 2 or less than 2, skip हुए हैं chapter में. So already we have discussed that time whenever I take the lecture, na? This question is omitted. Already we have informed. You should mark down now. Question number 3. Y square plus 1 upon y. So with this question we have to solve it. See. Y square. So first y is take as LCM. Y into y cube plus 1 equals to 2. So y cube plus 1 equals to 2y. शिफ्ट करते हो y cube minus 2y plus 1 equals to 0. Right? Because degree is 3 here. Degree means index. Index is 3 here. So it is not a quadratic equation. Am I right? Y cube minus 2y plus 1 equals to 0. Okay. So it is is not a quadratic equation. See, the highest degree equation of the index is y is 3 are not 2. So it is not a quadratic equation. Am I right? Question number 4. X plus 1 upon x is minus 2. Solve it. Take x as LCM. X square cross multiply plus 1 equals to minus 2, and x square plus 1 cross multiply once again equals to minus 2x. So shift here, minus 2 should become left hand side. X square minus will come plus 2x, plus will this side. Okay. X square plus 2x plus 1 equals to 0. This is quadratic equation because index is 2 here. X square plus 2x plus 1 equals. Okay, all of you, my dear. See properly. X square plus 1 equals to minus 2x. X square plus 2x plus 1 equals to 0. Question number 5. M plus 2, M minus 5 equals to 0. So this M multiply by M minus 5 and this 2 also multiply by M minus 5. So M into M, M square, M into 5, 5M, 2 into M, 2M, 2 5 is 10. Shift कर दो M square, 2 minus 5 equals to minus 3M and minus 10. This is your answer. M square minus 3M minus 10 equals to 0. So this is M variable with the highest index. So it is a quadratic equation. Am I right, my dear? Clear, all of you? Question number 6. M cube plus 3M square minus 2 minus equals to 3M cube. So shift it here, this minus will come, this side it will become 3M square, this MQ, 3MQ, this comes at minus, then 3M square, this 3 minus 2 equals to 0. So M square minus 3M square is minus 2, sorry, MQ minus 3MQ is minus 2MQ. then 3ms square minus 2 equals to 0. Because degree is 3 here, so it is not a quadratic equation. Right? It is not a quadratic equation. Am I right? Question number 3. Write the following quadratic equation in the form of x square plus bx plus c equals to 0. Write the value of a comma b comma c for the each question. 2y equals to 10 minus y square. 2y equals to 10 minus y square. Comparing करते हैं हम लोग इसको. So y square come first, second 2y, and then minus. Like standard form of the quadratic equation like this. X square plus bx plus c equals to 0. इस टर्म पे हम उसको अरेंज करके दिखेंगे. Then we write the value of ABC. Okay. This is standard form of the quadratic equation. So my dear, from this value we can find ABC. A equals to 1, B equals to 2, C equals to minus 10. This is your answer. A equals to 1, B equals to 2, C equals to minus 10. So the required quadratic equation is y square plus 2y minus 10. So from y, you can write A equals to 1. इसके आगे कोई भी नंबर नहीं है तो 1. यहाँ पे B आपको 2 दिख रहा है and C equals to minus 3, 10. A equals to 1, B equals to 2, C equals to minus 10. Am I right? A equals to 1, B equals to 2, C equals to minus 10. Am I right, my dear? Question number 2, x minus 1 whole square. So this is showing like the formula a minus b whole square. This formula a minus b whole square equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square. A square minus 2ab plus b square. So x minus 1 whole square is x square minus 2x formula. And minus 2x minus 3 equals to 0. So x square, 2x, 2x, 4x, 1 minus 3 minus 2. This is your answer. So a equals to 1, b equals to 4, c equals to minus 2. A equals to 1, b equals to minus 4, c equals to minus 2. Am I right? Okay. स्क्वायर प्लस 5x इक्वल्स टू, मेरी आवाज आ रही है? मेरी आवाज आ रही? मेरी आवाज आ रही है आपको?
यस सर।
अभी है ना आवाज? आवाज आ रही है अभी?
Yes, sir.
So my dear, question number 3, x square plus 5x equals to minus 3 bracket 3 minus x. So first you open this bracket, this will become minus 3 and this minus minus will become plus x. Now shift from right side to left side. Minus 3 will become plus 3 and this plus will become minus 3. So x square 5x minus x 4x plus 3 equals to 0. So x square plus 4x plus 3 equals to 0. So a equals to 1, b equals to 4, c equals to 3. Your answer is a is 1, b is 4, c equals to 3. Clear? A is 1, b is 4, c equals to 3. Three m square equals to 2m square minus 9. So 3m square minus 2 this side and this minus will come 9. So 3m square minus 2m square is only m square plus 9 equals to 0. So a is there, c is there. Middle term b नहीं है तो उसको लाने के लिए हम लोग जीरो फॉर्मेट अप्लाई करते हैं. 0 into m plus 9 equals to 0. So a is 1, b is 0, c is 9. A is 1, b is 0, c is 9. Am I right? वो यहाँ पे आपको दिख रहा है. 0 multiplied by m, so it would be 0. There is no defect of the equation, so this is a, b, c. A is 1, b is 0, c is 9. Am I right, my dear? Okay, very good. Okay. Question number 5. P 3p plus 6 equals to minus 5. So 3 into p, 3p. 6p is 6p square plus 5 equals to 0. So 6p square 3p plus 5 equals to 0. So a equals to 6, b equals to 3, c equals to 5. A equals to 6, B equals to 3, 6 equals to 5. The required equation is 6p square plus 3p plus 5 equals to 0. This is your answer. Am I right? A equals to 6, B equals to 3, 6 equals to 5. Four. Determine whether the values given against each of the following quadratic equations are root of the quadratic equation or not. Root means what? First of all, my dear, see here. The equations are root or not. This is the main question. So how you justify it is root or not? So I give you the example. 10 divided by 2. Right? To divide at 10. By 2 is 10. We are getting the remainder is 0. This is the remainder. Right? If the remainder is 0, so you can say the remainder 0 is there. So you can say 5 is the factor of what I'm telling you. In this case, remainder is 0. So 5 is the factor of 10. And x equals to 1 minus 1, x equals to 1. So 1 square is 1, 4 1 is 4 into minus 5. 1 plus 4, 5. Okay, इस जगह पे हम लोग x रख के देखेंगे इस इक्वेशन में देखते हैं क्या मिल गया आपको. Final answer is 0, so you can say x equals to 1 is a factor of given equation. Right? X is a factor of given equation because the final answer is 0. Yes, my dear. सेकंड क्वेश्चन करना आपको. x equals to minus 5. X equals to minus 5. X is the one of the root of the given quadratic equation. Substituting x equals to minus 1. LHS x equals to minus 1. So, sir, your voice is coming in the little bit cracking. Okay. Now you can listen me. It is minus 1 square plus 4 1 ja 4 minus 4 minus 5 equals to 0. So my dear, this is 1 square is 1 minus minus plus minus 4 minus 5 will become minus 9. 1 minus 9 equals to minus 8, which is not equals to RHS. RHS is 0, so this is not a root of the given equation. Okay. ऐसा आपको वैल्यू रख के देखना है. मैं आता हूँ क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 में. वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन. If x is 3 is one root of the equation kx square minus 10x plus 3 equals to 0, find the value of k. X equals to 3, 3a square 9k, 10 3 is 30 and 3 equals to 0. So 10 9k, 30 minus 3 and 27, 9k is 27, k equals to 9 3 is 27. Nine k equals to 27, k equals to 3. Okay. Understood all of you? नहीं 10 शौकत आपने. 1.2 is graphical method, right? Now, graphical method will not come in your exam. Graphical method will not come this exam. Okay, I will not give the question from that exercise. Okay. Okay, okay, my dear. ठीक है. Okay. The value of k equals to 3. Today let's